Hi, good day all. I'm Satish here. I am the co-founder of Leameng Solutions and technical trainer. So today we have Nikhil Raj with us, who is undergraduate in mechanical engineering from Geetam University, Hyderabad, and he was associated with us since last 3 months in undergoing a project on a structural design for a cab, and here he wants to share his experience of the learnings that he had from this particular project, and how it has benefited for his upcoming career steps. I will just take a couple of questions to you, Nikhil. So first of all, I would like to thank you for having made this
Yes.
positive for this particular session. And my first question is that, like, what has chosen you to do this specific project with us, and what was the learnings that you had through the journey of the structural cap design with us? Yeah, over to you, Nikhil.
Firstly, thank you to you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. Uh, since the beginning, I was interested in the automotive industry itself. So I had many courseworks done, but I wanted something practical, industry level experience. So when I saw the opportunity on your LinkedIn page, I just applied it, and fortunately, I was given the opportunity to work with you under your guidance.
Yes.
And uh, and the the 2 months internship was like a proper structured. It was an industry level approach, sir. I felt like I was working in a complete corporate world with all the scheduled meetings, daily tasks to do, weekly submissions. Everything was perfect. And also, whenever I was stuck, I had I had always been asking you for help, and you never hesitated for anything, sir. uh, Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Nikhil. It was my privilege to also help you out.
Yes.
But from this, since I think you have spent a good amount of time in this particular project, and you are able to complete to a large extent of the design evolution plus simulation. So, like, what was the major key takeaway from this project? Like, once you have joined and after the completion of the project, do you think that you have technically learned and you have grown and you got some confidence that could make you a, a better candidate for an upcoming employer? Like, what do you want to say?
Definitely, sir. I learned a lot, because even for a final year students, it would be a great opportunity because not just book knowledge will have and hands-on experience going through the project. And it's always a new task every day, because simulations just don't happen as a hierarchical order. We need to specify things, we need to keep changing everything, we need to tweak it a little. So I learned all of those, because we were since I was using student version, we had few limitations. So uh, it was a big task for us to complete the simulation within the constraints we had. So it was a great learning, sir.
Agreed, agreed. Thank you, Nikhil. So could you just give a brief note on the project, on the title which you have worked, so it will be at least a good turning point.
Yeah. uh, I worked on the structural, improving the structural strength for a cab structure of a heavy duty truck. Uh, Firstly, we run the simulation on the basic structural strength, and after finding out the weak points on the structure, we decided to add reinforcement, but to to not compromise weight on it, we decided to use lighter materials. And also, thinking from the sustainability side, we preferred recycled aluminum, so that we get a good strength to weight ratio. And again, we had our simulations and we concluded the project based that not just recycled aluminum, we also compared nylon and steel in that case.
Great, great, great. Good, Nikhil. I think you had a good innings with us. It may not be on a very exhaustive way that you would have done a project, but at least you could have got some like accelerated knowledge, which can definitely help you for your upcoming careers prospects. And by the way, like, what is your next step going forward?
Yeah. Uh, my next step is to complete a master's in Germany, sir. And I've been admitted to a university. So soon I'll be starting my master's.
Nice. It was good to hear. So my last question to you, Nikhil. So finally, like, what will be your piece of advice for the engineering graduates or for the final year for the pre-final year students in terms of taking up this as a final year project work? Do you think it is really worth and it will have some impact to their career?
It's definitely worth it, sir, because as I mentioned earlier, it's not just theoretical knowledge. We need practical experience to be successful on our job roles, because we can't learn on the day we start our job. So these projects will be our building steps.
Agreed, agreed. Okay, thank you, Nikhil, for your time, and
Thank you, sir.
good luck for your next career steps. And definitely, we will be in contact and
Sure.
we'll be in touch. Thank you for your time for now.
Thank you, sir.